Hello and welcome to 9 Design 3D. Today in this video we will make basic cute clothes without saving. Let's go to the tutorial. I will give you this female base mesh FBX file, link in below. We will add a circle in our scene and we will set it segments 24. After that, in tap to edit mode, you can choose all of it with A, select, checker deselect and set up deselect too. After that, scale your vertices. Choose all of it with A and scale the top of the vertices. After that, we will set up with right click loop tool Blouse. For this, you can go edit, preferences, add-ons and type loop tool and activate it. Now again, you can E to extrude it up. Right click shade smooth and you can add a subdivision surface modifier to this. And give a shape how you want. From the numpad 7 you can look at your mesh from the top. You can rotate some vertices for giving your skirt a shape. After that, unhide your female mesh, scale and place fit up for your character's body. Under the sculpting, you can get your grab tool and move your vertices for the outside for the fitting. In the layout, choose your top vertices and E to extrude them in Z-axis. Again, scale and place make suitable for your character's body. Our skirt will look like that. Choose your top face line with Alt, E to extrude, right click and Alt S to scale for this. You can add extra loop cuts with Ctrl R for giving sharp edges. Again, for the bottom part of it, you can make same thing. Now we will make some blouse. For this, we will choose some faces from our character's body. For the shoulders too, you can choose some faces. After you choosing, Shift D to duplicate, press P and selection. Separate your blouse with this. Z to wireframe, you can choose half of it your vertices and delete them. After that, you can add some mirror modifier and don't forget to check your clipping. With the Alt S for all of your faces, you can make a bit higher. As the same method, in the sculpting, I will use my grab tool for fit up my vertices. It can be broke your middle vertices sometimes. In edit mode, you can choose them and G to move in X-axis because our clippings are still working. Our blouse will look like that. Let's add some necklace type ribbon for our character's neck. As you see, I am making same thing for choosing some faces from my characters. You can move up your vertices and tidy up something. E to extrude some part of it if you want make longer for the front part. Now we will add a plane in here. And after that, in tap to edit mode, you can choose some vertices and scale them in X-axis. After that, we will add a cube and give subdivision surface modifier to this. In tap to edit mode, you can add some loop cuts. For the plane, E to extrude in Y-axis and add some subdivision surface modifier. And give a ribbon shape. It will be basic clothes type without saving. How you want, you can make your ribbons for your character. If you want, you can make some pearl necklace if you want. I am making same things for this too, adding with subdivision surface modifier for make smooth them. Let's make some shoes. We will make same method. You can choose some faces from your character's feet. Z to wireframe. You can delete some faces from here which you choose. And after that, again, Shift D to duplicate, P, selection. Now, you can choose this edge line, press scale Y and 0. it will be tied up and fitted. You can choose your some vertices and press F to fill. For the side vertices, you can two of them and press M, merge at center. For the with these two, after giving shape, you can add subdivision surface modifier 2 and choose all of it and Alt S to scale. And right click smooth your vertices for this. After this smoothness, before the subdivision surface modifier edit, you can choose some faces on it and you can press X, delete these faces. As you see, it will be smoothed like that. You can choose all and Alt S to scale again. Choose all of it, E to extrude, right click and Alt S to scale for making a bit of solid move, and choose some bottom faces, E to extrude them down because we will make some heels. Now you can add some mirror modifier. Our clothes are ready. Let's add some basic fabric materials. I downloaded this fabric material from the ambienceg.com as a 2K and I will use it. In the shading tab, with the pressing Ctrl-Shift-T, you can choose your fabric materials from here. It came in here. You can apply your subdivision modifier first. And after that, choose your side edges, the Alt and Shift, and right-click Mark Seam. For the setting sharp edges, you can add some extra mark sharps for this too. If you want, you can use this method with selecting all and U to unwrap. Under the mapping node, you can change up your scale. As a second material, you can plus new material icon from the right. And you can add some extra color ramp, change your second material's color. Before all of this, choose some faces and assign your second material. Now, from the color ramp, you can change your material color. For the second node, make same thing. As you see, we have one textures map and two different colors. Again, assign your second material with 2. For the blouse, I am making same thing. I added all my materials. For the shoes, I only added a material color. Now, let's make some little heart shape. You can add a plane in here and move your vertices with adding extra control loop cuts with Ctrl R and adding mirror modifier. You can give a little heart shape. We will add some details for our blouse. Add an extra loop cuts for this. You can move them with the smoothness with the subdivision surface helper. Add skirt pink material in here too. Now you can add for your blouse where you want. If you want, you can make different unwrap type, but I'm only showing this how to make our clothes easily. Modeling in this video. We will make different clothes video too, and I will make detailed unwrap process in there. Our basic cute kawaii clothes will look like that in the modeling process. We will make different things too. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. See you later in new tutorials.